Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Now this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now I'm going to be linking below the host and the channel links, and I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist, guys, so that you can see what everybody created for Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, this collaboration is a support system for healthy cooking and healthy choices, low impact fitness. So make sure and share this video with everyone on your channel so that we can spread the news about Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Now we do have a hashtag and it's OnTrack23. This helps us to find your videos faster and add you to the playlist. Now, what I did want to say is I also have a chat room over on Instagram. It's called the Grace Life Collaborations, and you're going to find the playlist link there so that you guys can watch, but you'll also find it in my community tab right here on YouTube. Now, moving on over to the video. So what you see me here doing is I am putting together or cutting everything up so that we can make a beef stew, but we're doing it keto friendly. So we're replacing the potatoes and we're adding radishes, we're adding some chicken stock or beef stock, whatever stock you have. It's just really for flavor. I'm cutting up, like I said, radishes, onions, and then I'm just seasoning it up really good with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. That's my house seasoning, guys. And anything else that you want to add as far as flavoring, remember you adjust that according to how you like it. Also, let me see, I'm not putting any thickening agent in this, and we're trying to keep it as natural as can be, and I'm using a little bit of olive oil. So you're going to be watching this whole process. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave you to some music as you see me putting this together. Now you will see me using some chicken stock here, and yes, it is beef stew, but I'm just using it for flavoring. And then I decided to go ahead and use a packet of the dry. So I believe that's all I added to this. I did not add anything else to this. It didn't need it, and it did come out delicious. So let's go back to the music, guys. I'll see you at the end because this has to sit in that crock pot for about 6 hours. Okay, so we left it there 6 hours, and now we're gonna go ahead and serve this up. So this is so delicious. I already tasted it, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it into the bowl and head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to thank everyone that participated in this collaboration. You ladies are amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to head on over to the playlist and watch each other's dishes or fitness. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.